Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix MMS not working on your mobile device. So first of all, make sure you have enough mobile balance. If you do not have enough mobile balance, then that might be the reason that your MMS is not working. MMS or SMS totally depends on your mobile data. Go to Settings. Now go to Connections. Now you have to go to Mobile Networks. Now tap on Access Point Names. Now you have to select correct APN. Now you have to go to Settings again. Now tap on General Management. Now you have to tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Mobile Networks. Make sure you have enough mobile storage. Now your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.